My name is Eric.
My name's Adan.
And this is our Newton's Laws of Motion video project.
The first law is
An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon in a balanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and same direction unless acted upon an imbalanced force. This law is often called the law of inertia.
here's some examples.
An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon an unbalanced force. This is the second example of Newton's first law. An object will stay in motion unless acted upon an unbalanced force.
Newton's second law of motion is acceleration is produced when force is acted upon mass. The greater the mass of the object, the greater the force is needed for the object to accelerate. Here's some other examples. This is the second law of motion. Force is needed to push in a certain amount of mass. That's easy. The more mass an object has, the more force is needed to be pushed and accelerate. So heavy.
This is the second example of Newton's second law. An object with a smaller mass requires less force. An object with a higher mass requires more force. Less mass, more force.
I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag, I'm useless.
Newton's third law of motion. For every action there is
An equal and opposite reaction. Some examples.
This is an example of Newton's third law. Basically action and reaction. My action is holding the band on the slingshot. My reaction is letting it go, which launches the projectile. That was my reaction.
Example of third law of motion. My action, my reaction.